Want to see how I went from men am I broke to bitch I'm a star? Then keep watching. I had this look for a gala event I had in Ireland, in Dublin, and this is how I did it. I stretched my hair with my Lily England hair straightener, and I used my leave-in conditioner as a heat protector. Yeah, and it has like a watery consistency. You know, some of these leave-in conditioners have a creamy consistency, so I just used that on my palm to just show you how watery the consistency is. And I'm just basically straightening my hair just so that it has like a more sleek finish. This hair can be done in minutes. I mean minutes, because I did this hair that day and got it off that day after the event. So if you are looking for a fast and easy, ready to go sass slay hairstyle, then this is the hairstyle. Basically ponytail. And I chose ponytail because some people have said that I have come eyes, like my eyes says come. I don't know what that is, but I just chose to leverage that and went with a ponytail hairstyle because it would drag my face to like a cattish line, you know, you understand me. So after straightening my hair anyways, I used my hot comb that I've not used before. This was the first time using it, and I just, based on the videos I've seen of people using the hot comb, I just took cue from that and decided to try it on. Yeah, I don't know if I'm even using it wrongly. I'll probably go for another research to know how to properly use this hot comb. Right about now, I am you know, doubling the thread that I have. I'm making it to be thicker for it to pack my hair, and I'll be using my Shine and Jam. Shine and Jam does not leave a white cast, that which is why I used it as the main gel for, you know, the packing gel. And I'm going to be using my brush to like make it all slick because it has to be you know. And Shine and Jam gel has like a very nice, you know, aroma scent. I don't know I don't know if aroma is the word, but it's very good to use. Like it's yeah, 100%. But because I was to take this hairstyle off, I had to use it on only like the outer layer, and I brought out my edges because, you know, we have to leave them edges to pop. And wrapping my hair to start the ponytail hairstyle, you just have to make it like really tight. Already I have my thread doubled or tripled or quadrupled, whatever, so it's going to be like real tight. And I used the thread because when I come back and I want to take it off, I can easily just cut it, snap it off and loosen it. You know, there's no, the rubber would cut your hair, so that's why thread is the go-to. And this is the genesis of me hairstyle. After weaving it up, I used hair. If you've seen my previous hair video, you will notice that this hair was from my previous bubble braid hairstyle, or bubble braids hairstyle, and I used the hair that I got from that because obviously I'm not going to throw it away yet because I have another hairstyle I want to use it for. But I used that, like a bit of that hair that I've used already, to like make the startup point for this ponytail or this packing gel or this slick bun thingy. Yeah, and this is actually the first time that I will be adding you know, extensions to my hair like this pro level. Do you understand? Like this pro level, adding extensions to the tip. Like I impress myself every day, but I think I can maybe sort of do like extensions attachment, because I usually, anytime I do my extensions or like I make my hair myself, I usually just use extension and do like a cut two. Like if I use darling or expression, I only cut it like cut two, so I don't get to add extensions to make it longer. But now I did it here and I made it longer, guys. Like I can add attachment. I'm growing in this hair making business, y'all. So I have another piece of used hair that I got from the bubble braids hair still, and I'm just going, what I did was to put a rubber band on the ends, on one end, and then pin it onto my hair. Pinning it onto my hair, I put it in 3 levels. So I put a pin with a hair strand, so I put one down below of the bun, and then I put one at the middle of the bun, and I put one at the very tip of the bun. So I have like 3 layers on the bun with pinned hair on. Then what I did is clearly as seen. So I started from the top pinned one, and then I took it up, connected it to the middle part, and then continued and connected it to the top part, and then rolled it all the way down to like make it secured. And then what I did after was to take pins to secure every nook and cranny of the bun to make it like stay more. Then we are laying the edges to be slick. I also used my Shine and Jam gel to lay my edges because any other gel would just leave like a white cast. And then I'm taking my pearls, the pearls I got from Claire's, just in case Claire's here, and putting on these pearls was not as easy as described on the package because they said just take out the pearls and pin it on, but it wasn't staying. I mean, it was staying here at this point, but everything just kept coming off at some point, so it wasn't doing justice. So what I did, I tried using got-to-be glue to stick it on, and it wasn't working. So what actually worked was using wax. So when I used the hair wax, it stuck on more, but hair wax has a very high tendency of leaving a white residue, but I did not mind it. It's night time anyways. And when I got to my face, so I used the hair wax to pin all the pearls and all the gems on my hair, and then when I got to my face level, I used eyelash glue. Guys, I used eyelash glue to get onto my face, but that was after my makeup. And yeah, this is the final results. Slay or slay? Purr.